My heavens, it sure is cold today, wouldn't you say? On days like this, Mrs. Washington always says to me, "Caroline, I'd like some tea, dear." So I come on out here to the lower garden to get some herbs for tea. Did you know that we're not getting tea anymore from the British? We're making it all here at Mount Vernon, right in this garden. The General and Lady Washington want to make sure that we have all we need right here at home. That way we don't have to be dependent on anyone else, especially not the British.
Let me know in the comments, do you consider yourself a tea drinker?
So that's why I'm here gathering some mint for Lady Washington's tea. But there's many other herbs that you can use for tea. There's germander, that's good for a sore throat or a cough. Lemon balm, and santalene. You see, the General knows that having your own is true liberty.
This is a production of the IQ Learning Network.
This video raises questions and I need for you to be extremely honest in the comments when answering them. And just so you know, I have 3 questions. Number 1, what did you learn from this video? Number 2, who would you like for me to do a video on next? And number 3, what are your thoughts about this video? Please share them in the comments. Please be honest when answering these questions. Share this video with anyone you deem necessary. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.